Hi, and welcome to another edition of Preservation Workshop, or How to Be Your Own Curator at Home. I'm Sue Taylor. I am the Chief Curator for the New Mexico Museum of Space History. And today I am going to share with you how to remove mold from what is perhaps your most important artifact in your house, namely your photo slides. If you find mold on your slides, you need to remove them immediately, the mold that is, or your slides will be damaged. Before you get started, you need to assemble your tools. To begin with, you'll want to get gloves, either Vinyl Touch or nitrile, which you can buy at Walmart. This is to preserve the photos from your hands. You then want a cutting board. You put the slide on top of the cutting board. Then you want to get a metal ruler, not plastic. Preferably one with a cork backing, and I'll show you why. They do make smaller metal rulers. If you are dealing with a cardboard mount, you can use either a razor blade or a X-Acto knife. The best one to use is a box cutter. This allows you to extend the blade far enough out to cut through the cardboard and be along the edge of the ruler itself. After you have cut through the cardboard, you will want to remove the film itself. Tweezers such as these that have a spatula-like end can be bought either online or at any good hobby store. They are used by collectors of stamps or butterflies. The spatula-like ends will not damage the fragile edges. You'll then want to have some Q-tips and some rubbing alcohol. 70% is preferable. And you want some wax paper, and I'll show you why you need that in just a bit. If you are dealing with the cardboard mount, you first want to move the ruler up to the edge. Not the wide one, but the narrow one. The reason for the cork backing is that if you try to use just the metal itself, as you can see, it does not stay put. The cork backing will allow you to position the ruler, put your fingers where you are exerting pressure onto the slide, but they are out of the way of the blade itself. Taking your tool, put your finger on the tip where you can control the blade. Get the blade up to the edge of the ruler and with pressure cut through the cardboard. I am not going to cut through this because it is not cardboard. We are lucky. We have a plastic mount. Plastic mounts are very easy to open. They just pop open. You now want to remove the film using the spatula-like tweezers. You grab the film on the edge where the ratchet-like marks are, and you want to prepare to remove the mold. There is a matte side or dull side to the film and a shiny side. You want the matte side because that is where the mold is feeding. Dip your Q-tip into alcohol, shake out any excess, and with a circular motion, start removing the mold. If it looks like it has not fully gone away, repeat the process until it has totally disappeared. When you have done, get a new Q-tip dip it into the alcohol, again shake out any excess, and again using the circular motion, go over the rest of the film. This will remove any possible mold spores that may have migrated. When it looks good, put it onto the wax paper. If you are working with more than one slide, as you finish each film, put it in a line on the wax paper. Never stack your films. You then want to allow this to fully dry. Put it into a room where the air conditioning is set high and the relative humidity is about 40% or lower. It will probably take overnight. The next day, you are ready to insert the film into a new mount. If you haven't already, you throw out that old one. It is contaminated. You pick up your slide, the film, put it into the new mount, seal it, and you are done. You want to take the slide and put it into a special UV protected or propylene sleeve that's acid free, or you could put it into an acid free box. You do not want to put it into the same box you took the slides out of because the box is contaminated. Mold is not pretty. This is some mold that was on a piece of wood. Mold can be either white or black. This one's black. It's very dead, but you still don't want mold hanging around your pictures or around your house. I hope you learned a few things from this little presentation. There will be more. Please join me again, Sue Taylor, for preservation workshops or how to be your own curator at home. Stay tuned to this channel. That's when you'll find out about the other programs. You can reach me at sue.taylor@state.nm.us. Stay tuned, stay well, and stay home.